Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is yet another video regarding the off-campus hiring by Teradata. So in this video, we'll be discussing what are the eligible criteria, how to apply for this, and everything regarding the job responsibilities, package, everything. So now let's get started with this. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. So now let's get started. The link to apply for this job will be there in the description box given below. Have a look at it. Now, Teradata is hiring for the associate test engineer. The location is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. And coming to the education or the experience requirements, BS or MS in computer science or related fields, 0 to 2 years of working experience. So you have clearly mentioned that bachelor's in science of masters in science and computer science or related fields. I mean, if you have a subject in computer science, if you have knowledge or something, you can apply for this. 0 to 2 years of work experience. That is, freshers can apply and even entry levels too can apply for this. Now, key competencies of the skills are excellent problem solving skills and troubleshooting skills, good verbal and written communication skills, good knowledge of test management process, test documentation, and maintenance of existing test cases, plus addition of new test cases, working knowledge on SQL and database, ability to follow documented specifications and plans with minimal supervision. So these are the key skills they're looking forward for. Basically, you have to handle the troubleshooting and you must be good at communication. You must be good at documentation, maintenance of existing test, everything, and you must handle database. So this is basically now the desired but not required skill. I mean, this is an advantage. That is SQL, Teradata, database knowledge, preferably Teradata, knowledge on testing tools, open source, experience with shell scripting and Java programming, knowledge of test automation and test frameworks. Okay, so this is the desirable or the required skills they're looking forward for. So when you get into this designation or the opening, you will be handling the responsibilities like functional testing and release testing of Teradata, ecosystem product, aptitude for understanding complex softwares from the functional and technical perspective, report progress against objectives on periodic basis, working on future products, developing POCs, demos, leveraging learning quickly latest and greatest technologies, write technical documents that accurately describe unit test strategy, plans, and reports. So that's all. So they've clearly mentioned what they're looking forward in a candidate. It's clearly given here. You can go through that as well. Now, basically, coming to the education qualification, it is a bachelor's of masters in computer science or related fields with 0 to 2 years of experience, 0 for the freshers and for the entry level. And you must be able to handle the database and yes, the basic programming language, and we'll be handling good documentation and testing, troubleshooting, everything, and should have communication skill too. So this is basically that looking forward in a candidate. If this eligible criteria is met, you can definitely apply for this position. So to apply for that, let's look how to apply. We can click this apply button. So you have to log in to Teradata Careers with this. If you have already logged in, registered your profile in this career, you can just log in with the username and password. Else you can go for create account. So this is how you have to do. You have to log in. So when you successfully log in to their registration page, you'll be getting such a page where you have to fill your personal details, like you have to upload your resume and your contact details, everything. So then after that, you can submit your response. So this is how you have to apply for Teradata. And the average package available for this opening is approximately 7 lakh per annum, which is the highest package whichever a fresher can get. So make your enrollment or make your registrations at the earliest. When the qualified or the candidates is saturated, they'll be withdrawing the link. So before they withdraw the link, please try to make your registration. So that's all about today. We was talking about how to apply on Teradata, and I would like to make a gentle reminder on the various courses that we are providing through our application Online Study for You. The links will be there in the description box given below. There are so much courses regarding all your placement needs. So if you wish to make it, then you can have a look at it at a course store and grab your course, which will definitely help you to contribute so much to your career. So now that's all for today. If you have any queries, please do let us know in the comment section. And until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment process, thank you and have a great day.